Welcome to Friends with Ambition's YouTube channel. Imagine this. You are given 2 plots of land, side by side. They are yours to care for the rest of your life. The first plot is the garden of your mind. This is where your thoughts, your feelings, and your focus grow. The second plot is the garden of your body. This is where your energy, your health, and your vitality grow. In the beginning, both gardens are wild, untamed. Weeds of doubt, fear, and anxiety sprout easily in the garden of the mind. The soil in the garden of the body is dry, tired, and quick to complain. And every single day, you stand between them with a simple choice. What will you plant? What will you water? One morning, you feel a storm of stress brewing inside you. The easy path? Let the storm rage in the garden of your mind. You water the weeds of worry. You replay conversations that hurt you. You feed fears about tomorrow. Quickly, that garden becomes tangled and dark. The fruit it bears is bitter, anger, impatience, sadness. But it doesn't stop there. You feel it in the other garden too. Because you are stressed, you poison the soil of the body. You feed it cheap, empty fuel. You stop moving. The land grows stiff, heavy, weak. The connection is undeniable. A neglected body makes the mind brittle, and a chaotic mind always leads to neglect of the body. But here's the truth. You always have another choice. Today, you choose differently. When the storm of stress arrives, you step into the garden of your mind. Not as a victim of the weather, but as the gardener. You cannot stop the rain. But you decide what gets watered. You plant a seed of gratitude. You water a seedling of hope. You pull out the weed of I can't and replace it with I will try. It isn't easy. The weeds are strong. The habits are familiar. Your hand hesitates. So, you turn to the garden of your body for support. You move. You walk. Each step tills the soil, releasing tension. You drink clean water, hydrating the dry land. You nourish it with real, living food. And energy begins to flow, steady, clean, alive. Now you return to the garden of your mind. You sit quietly in the stillness of the morning, and for 5 minutes you simply breathe. You are not fighting weeds. You are not planting seeds. You are simply watching, letting the sun of awareness shine across the whole garden without judgment. And something profound happens. The body, now strong and vibrant, sends roots of calm into the mind, making it resilient against the storm. The mind, now clear and peaceful, makes wise choices for the body, nurturing it with respect. The truth is, the 2 gardens are not separate. They are one living ecosystem. They are you. And when you tend them with care, the fruit you harvest is sweet. Clarity instead of confusion. Calm instead of anxiety. Strength instead of fragility. And peace that stays, no matter the weather. Because in the end, a gardener always has a choice.